Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for being here again. And please join me in unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I am not sure what month is this because right now it's the month of September, but I haven't received my July and August and September box. So I am not sure what month is this again. So what are we waiting for? Let's open this and find out. So this is how it looks like when you open this. And it says Glam Bag Plus, and don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. So it's yellow, and ooh, where is the card? I haven't seen any card. There should be a card, right? Oh, wow. I don't see any. And these are what's in this thing. So I think this is my July Glam Bag Plus. So I only see 4 items in this thing. Why is that? There is no card at all. Ooh, that's interesting. How would I know what these are? Huh. That is totally weird. Okay. So, with this one, I have here this product, and this is the Mirrored Hydration Exfoliating Cleanser, and this is in 200 ml. I don't know how much this is because I don't have a card. To use, massage a small amount over dampened face and neck, rinse with warm water and pat dry. For optimal results, use 2 to 3 times weekly. And doctor's tip, extend this cleanser's exfoliation benefits to your elbows, knees, and heels for all over smoothness. So this is the Mirrored AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. I will check how much this is and I'll put it on the screen or in the description box, okay? So, the next one we have here is, this is the Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. And that's how it looks like. There's the Here you go. Am I doing it right? There. Okay. And that's how it looks like in the top. Okay, let's open this thing up. So what is this for? Pairs perfectly with your skincare, color infused powders, solid serum foundations, and all complexion products. Again, I don't have any idea how much this thing is, okay? So, it's taking too long to open this. I want to show you what this looks like, okay? And, oh boy. Oh, there. And ooh, it's quite heavy. It's not like cheap plastic or something. So there's that Heavenly Skin, and that's how the brush looks like. It's angled. Can you see? There you go. There. And it's very smooth. Ooh. Definitely gonna be using this, and again, I don't know how much this costs, so I'll put it up later. Oh, don't ruin it. There. And the next one here is we have this Wonder product. And this is from Wonder Beauty Catch the Light Highlighter and Glow Motion. So what is this thing? It's a highlighter probably in Celestial. Okay. Is it sealed? Oh, it's like this. I don't want to swatch it because I have a lot of highlighter right now. Okay. So again, I don't know how much this thing is. I'll put it up later. Okay. I'm kind of frustrated right now because I don't have any idea how much these products are. And the next one we have is the Purelisse Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. And this one is for oily combination, normal, even, sensitive skin. And this is 50 ml. And this is how it looks like. That's how it looks like at the back. And it's sealed. Sorry. It's sealed right there. So I don't want to open it yet. I don't want to waste it when I still have other products that I've been using. So benefits. Green tea is a powerful antioxidant that moisturizes skin and protects from signs of aging. White tea soothes sensitive skin. Vitamin E prevents premature aging and improves skin texture. And French marine plants help retain moisture. The ritual. Gently smooth over face before makeup or wear alone. And for best results, cleanse skin with Purelisse cleansing milk first. Great for daily use. And this is lightweight, oil-free water cream. Prime skin for makeup. I wonder how much these things are. So I only have 4 items in here. And I hope I'll be able to provide you an idea of how much these products cost. I forgot to open the box and I'll show you what it is. So it's like this. Again, this is the Mirrored Hydration AHA PHA Exfoliating Cleanser, and it's perfect because I'm running out of the cleanser that I have. And let's see. Is it sealed? And it's sealed. Yep, it is sealed. So let's open this because it smells good. And that's how it looks like. Oops. I'll show you. And there it is. Can you see it? Those small granules thing. Okay, so I hope there's nothing on my nose. And that's all we have in this box. So I'll let you know later. I know I'm disappointed because there are no cards in it. But again, I'm gonna let you know later. So please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't done it yet, please do subscribe. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will know if I have a new video up. Thank you very much again, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye!